Greetings everyone, I am an educator in the electrical installation field and I'm going to show you all how to correctly remove installations from the different sizes of electrical cables.
When stripping electrical cables, you need protection. Here is your safety glasses that you need to wear while stripping electrical cables to protect your eyes. We also have safety gloves to prevent you from getting cut or nicked while stripping electrical cables. And we have a range of tools that is required to strip electrical cables. We have pliers, we have the multi-purpose wire stripper, we have the adjustable wire stripper, we have the V-notch wire stripper, we have another multi-range wire stripper, and we have the utility knife. All these tools are used to strip electrical cables.
So in this area here, there are the different sizes of cable starting from 1.5, 2.5, 4.2, 10.0 and 16 mm squared cable. So these are the different sizes cables we have here. With this wire stripper, I have multiple size cable that you can strip with. So I'm going to strip the 1.5 cable using this wire stripper. So I line it up with the 1.5 area, I'm marking and I'm taking my thumb and I'm removing the insulation. So here you see the insulation is removed properly. And with the 2.5 mm squared cable, I'm going to use this wire stripper. Or you can use this wire stripper to strip the 1.5 cable as well. I'm going to use this wire stripper to strip the 2.5 cable, lining it up properly in the jaw and just pressing, marking and pulling. Insulation removed. With the 4.0 cable, I'm going to use the V-notch wire stripper to remove the insulation from the 4.0 cable. You're just going to mark, taking your thumb and push it. Right, so these are the required size cable that I'm using to remove the insulation from. Here we have the 10-point cable that cannot be used with these wire strippers, so I'm going to use the utility knife properly to remove the insulation from the 10-point cable. So I'm just going to mark it around correctly and I'm going to remove the insulation from the cable away from my body. Insulation removed. So here we have the copper conductor and we have the insulator, which is the plastic coated. And here we also have the 16 mm squared cable. I'm going to show how to remove the insulation. Mark properly around and take the knife and remove the insulation away from your body. See, the insulation is removed properly. So after removing the insulation from the cable, I'm going to clean up my area to keep a neat and tidy scene. So I'm removing the cables and I'm going to put them in the proper area for cables, and I'm taking this tool, my duster brush, and I'm going to remove all the burr from the cable, all the cuttings, and I'm going to put it in the bin correctly.